Today we'll show you how to make a whipped shaving cream. For this recipe, you'll need a half cup of shea butter, a half cup of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of almond oil, and 10 tablespoons of castile soap. You'll need a double boiler for this recipe, so you can bring the water up to boiling and then turn the heat down to medium. And then we'll add our coconut oil and our shea butter. And you'll stir the two together until they're fully melted. Once your coconut oil and your shea butter are melted, you can add in your almond oil. And you could add your almond oil at the beginning when you're melting down the oil and butter, but it doesn't do as well with a lot of heat, so that's why we're adding it in at the end. Once you've stirred this in, you can set the bowl aside overnight until it's fully cooled, or if you want to speed it up a bit, you could store it in the fridge for a few hours. And you want it to be hardened, not just cooled down. Once your mixture is fully hardened, we're ready to whip in the castile soap. So we're using a kitchen blender here, but you could also use an immersion blender or a hand mixer. So you can get it going, and then we'll slowly add the castile soap in 1 tablespoon at a time, and you're going to get a really nice whipped consistency. Once it's all whipped together, you can scoop your shaving cream into a jar. And that's how you make our whipped shaving cream.